Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question. My question is, how would you suggest working with your steady work, open roads, supreme confidence, spirit guide oils for calling in steady, prosperous, fun, fulfilling, divine work opportunities? I love it. So let's talk about those four oils. So steady work oil is for getting a job or for getting a promotion, like getting some kind of movement up in your job or for getting a job. So it's simply for that. So great, it's a great oil to use and particularly use on yourself. Put a couple drops on your hands, apply it to yourself in an upward motion from feet towards head, put it on yourself. And that's a great thing. I recommend doing it when you're looking for a job, when you're going for interviews, when you're asking the boss for a raise or a promotion. Those are all great times to use steady work. Open roads oil is for opening up opportunities, opening up beautiful opportunities of all kinds, whether it's opening up opportunities for love, for prosperity, for health, for anything. You can use open roads for that. And you most certainly could use open roads for opening up opportunities with career. Absolutely. So putting those two on, you could put them both on your hands. You could put one on your hands, put it on, put the other one on your hands and put it on, or you could put them both together on your hands and apply them once. Fantastic. Supreme confidence oil is for giving you confidence when you're looking for that job. So that is a great one also to apply to yourself. Supreme confidence oil is for so that you come into the interview or you have the guts to ask your boss for the promotion or you have confidence when you walk into the room. A lot of times, I live in LA, and so I have lots of people in entertainment industry that use supreme confidence when they're going for an audition, for example, so that they come into the audition and they feel comfortable, they feel confident, and they project their best side, they put their best foot forward. So that can be another way you can use it. And certainly, when we're going to ask for something or we're going to apply for a job, it does feel like an audition. And this is a great way to work with that supreme confidence oil. Spirit guide oil is an interesting choice. So spirit guide oil is for calling in your guides. Now, if you work with your guides and you like working with your guides, you want to have a deeper connection with them, then spirit guide oil is perfect for that. If you want to ask your guides for assistance in your job hunt in finding this fun, fulfilling, amazing job that you want, then you could bring spirit guide oil into the mix, and that would be perfect because you're asking for them to help you. Spirit guide oil you can apply to yourself, you can apply to a candle. Of course, any of these you could apply to a candle, but I think the ones that really work the best when they're applied to yourself are the steady work oil. Also can be applied to a candle, but it's great when you apply it to yourself. Supreme confidence, open roads, all of that would be great. So and spirit guide oil can be applied to yourself too, but those can also be applied to candles, but especially supreme confidence and especially steady work applied to yourself, open roads, either way. So hopefully that will answer your question.